Hey. I'm going to do this real fast because I know Marty is trying to... I got to feel sorry for Marty today. I'm trying to get a hold of him, and he is busy working on his... Hold on. Let me answer this real quick. Now, Bill. So, let me do this real quick because I know Marty's going to be on in like 10 minutes. I know he's having a little difficulty with his sound. He's got new headsets not working for him. Of course, you know me. I went to bat on that one. Very funny. But I know he's probably pretty... I can't help it. You know, any chance I can get at Marty, I'm going to get him. But, guys, today at 9 o'clock, let me tell you what's going on. Excuse me, 8 o'clock, the Friday Night Live with Lynn and Ron. You never know who might show up. He's done it before. We'll see. If you heard Red talking this morning about the not a contest, just something that we're giving away on Onpassive 360 for a free founder's position, that just includes the $97 position. You'll be responsible for paying the subscription fee, but we're going to do that on Onpassive 360. I think we said once a month. Pretty cool thing. So it's going to be like a bingo ball. We'll roll it around and it automatically pulls out a name, and that will be the winner. And if someone sees Marty go on live here, please let me know because I'll cut it off immediately. I don't like jumping on him. But very exciting. You guys know about the data center. Hopefully we'll get some information on that today. And if you go back in the back office and read Peter Schur's notes, read the very last sentence. That's what Ash Mafara said. So I got a lot of people texting me that question. There was no scheduled meeting for this. Dubai, we did the 3, and that is going to continue every Friday, but we're just not going to make Zooms about it. But that marketing campaign goes on, I think, for 16 months. So don't get confused on that. A lot of people asked me that today. Real quick on the names. Gemma, how you doing? Tim Johnson, what's happening? Margaret Slyer, how you doing? If I said that right. Habib, how you doing? Jay Mookie, what up, Jay? Keep doing what you're doing. Oh boy, I'm running through. Pancake, what's happening? Jonna, what's happening? Jay, Tim, Tanya, Passive. I don't know. Marty, you know, Tanya, you know how we are. We're always trouble. Vicky Barker, Lister T, how you doing? If you guys see Marty, get on here, let me know. There's Bill Musk, my brother. John Barilla, MK Kelly. Guys, a lot of things happening right now with some certain groups, okay? Listen, Onpassive brings people together. We do have some certain groups that are kind of like fighting each other, who's bigger and better. That's not what we do, okay? We're all equal individuals in Onpassive, all right? I do say follow Onpassive 360, myself, Red, and Marty, and there's a lot of others. I'm not going to go over all the names. And the reason being is we want to give you the correct information. We don't put something out that's not correct. There are some groups that are putting out misinformation. We cannot have that, okay? But we also don't want diversity. We want everyone to come together. That's the whole goal of Onpassive. So countries out there, I won't say countries, I need you guys to get together. Become one group, all right? We have all kind of names for groups. To me, my opinion, get rid of the group names. We are called Onpassive. We are proud founders. We work together. There are some groups that are not doing that. I need to address it. I'm sorry. But that's exactly what we're supposed to do. And remember this, there is no more leadership council. All right? We were former leadership. We never had a new leadership. We're out here to help you. Regardless, we don't have titles. And if you think about groups, their titles, we don't want you to have titles. Call your group Onpassive #1, period. Okay? Because all of us need to start working together no matter what country we're in. There's no country better than the other country. Okay? All right? There's no one person better than the other person. We're equal, and that's the way we're going to do it. Let me see if Marty's come on yet. I'm trying to look, so I don't want to cut him off. He's already probably a little flustered. Where's Marty? Marty DeGarmo, can you get on my live? I said, look, get on my live, and you can talk through my live. But I just want to tell you how excited I am because of everything that's coming our way. If you're not excited, I'm not sure what I can tell you to get excited, all right? Data centers, products, physical products, marketing beyond belief, Burj Khalifa, owning 2 floors in Burj Khalifa. Every Friday, advertisement marketing for Onpassive. It doesn't get any better. And like I said it last night, I got a sliver in my hand from doing work around this house. I've never gotten a sliver in my hand doing Onpassive. In other words, Ash Mafar and the tech team are doing all the work, period. Period. You could choose to share. You don't have to share. It's all done for you. We ask you to plug in to a couple webinars a week so you can stay updated. But really, all you really got to do is check Peter Schur's notes, get in your back office, look around, watch our lives, watch Onpassive 360. Many, many good things out there. Now, Julie Wen's got the Angels going on Thursdays. You know, this is all stuff to keep you guys informed. There's no excuses. We have so much going on right now to keep you informed. And then we have new people that sign up every day. We got over 1,300,000 people. New people are signing up every day. Every day, over 500 to 1,000 people. Now, it's up to us to teach them the right way. So if you throw something out there that's not true, they see it, they don't know, they post it. Next thing you know, I'm up till 5 in the morning with a few other people trying to knock that down. So just be excited, but post the right stuff. I'm asking the entire world right now, the entire world of Onpassive founders, to become one. If you're in a country, you don't need 15 groups. Come together, all right? Have your own private Zooms. Explain, you know, myself, Red, and Marty, we sit down and we talk about what we're going to say. So we're all on the same page. I'm going to think the problem is with a lot of these groups, you're all on different pages. So we want the truth to go out. Let's use India, for example. Plenty of groups there. I'm asking India to come together with all your groups, make one webinar. Number one, you're going to get a lot more people to it. And if you guys all are on the same page, you're going to give out the correct information. And if one of you says something wrong, the other one will correct them. That's okay. That's what you're supposed to do. I don't say everything perfect or right, but I'm asking every country right now that has multiple groups to find a way to come together and create one webinar where you're all leaders. Remember this, there's no one bigger than anyone else. The main goal here is Onpassive. All right? You are not a superstar because you're holding a webinar. What you are is a leader. And if you're telling the wrong information, you're not a superstar at all. But if you all got together and discuss things, how you're going to present this, getting on the same page, getting the correct information, you will improve your teams. Okay? Understand this. We do not use false information to sign people up. You only pay $97, number one. We don't collect any other monies, period. Not for having an event, we don't charge, period. That's not what we do. The NDA tells you that, okay? So let's all come together and do this together like we're supposed to do and keep it going. All right, let me see if I'm Marty come on. I got to check. I don't want to override the guy. Hello, how you doing, Ajara? Sheila, how you doing? Good morning. Fahir, how you doing? Jay Mookie? Jay, I need some help with that, Jay. Jay Mookie, I'm going to ask you. I need help. You're a pretty big voice over there. I need you to get together with people and start saying, listen, we got to come together. Yolanda, what's happening? Yolanda, I'll text you later. I'm not sure why you can't get in your back office. 99% of the time is you might be typing something wrong. And that's usually what I see. I'll get with you later, Yolanda. Linda Chapetta, how you doing? Basani. Aaron, how you doing? Frost, found me. I'm here, Michigan. All right. But I hope you guys understand. I'm not my brother. You should be thanking Ford Motor Company for all the years they paid you for your time. Absolutely. I always thank Ford Motor Company. I gave them my time. Marcine, what's happening? All right. So you guys understand what I'm saying. This is to every country in the world. All right. Let's all get on the same page. Let's create massive webinar, one webinar in your country where you get everyone going. And you can do that as much as you want. But the stronger, more people that come together, the stronger you become. The more things that you could do for your country. All right. Diversity is not it. When you start, how do I say this? When you start going away from certain individuals instead of coming together, it makes you weak. Okay? I don't care what your name is. I don't care how pretty you are, how fat you are, or tall. If you're doing the right thing, you have my attention. But if you know of people that are not saying the right information, all right, I'm asking you, Chris Johnson, to come together. All right, we can do this. Some countries just haven't figured it out yet, and that's what we're here to help you. So please, Jay Mookie, I'm calling you out. Help me with this, all right? You want to do a private Zoom with us and a few of the guys and gals, we will help you do this. But let's make one webinar, guys, okay? I see some posters with 5,000 pictures on it, and that's great. I see posters with mine and other former leaders that don't even come to your webinar. That's false advertising. But if we could come together on this, we will improve it. That's all I'm saying. Rosemary Rodriguez, how you doing? Rupa Paul, I need your help also. You know what I'm talking about. John Barilla, what's happening? And I'm going to use, I will say, Bangladesh has done it really good. Is it always perfect? No, there's certain people. Listen, you have to learn to agree to disagree. Okay, but one thing I don't like is when someone thinks they're bigger than the other. If you guys realize you'll complement each other and it'll grow. All right, the whole goal here is for Onpassive Global Worldwide to grow together. But we have so many groups, so many Telegrams, so many WhatsApp. I don't care about any of those things. Okay, if you ask me, get rid of the groups, get in your back office. All right, communicate with each other through email or text messaging so you know what's going on. And am I upset? I'm not upset. I'm not upset because I know I'm doing it the right way. I know Red, Marty, Julie, we're all doing it the right. The people that are doing lives are doing it the right way. And I'm here to let you know that enough is enough on some of these groups. These groups are dividing people. People are arguing in them. People are posting stuff that isn't not Onpassive. Okay? Do me a favor. Get rid of the groups. All right? Create a Zoom that gives positivity and explains about Onpassive. Period, period, period. All right, if I had my way, every Telegram, every WhatsApp group, I'd get rid of them all. We have a back office to communicate with people. All right? That's what you're supposed to do. But these groups are absolutely horrible. I don't like them. I know Ash Mafara doesn't like them because you guys are putting out the wrong information. And man, Marty is live. Okay, I'm going. Go to Marty's live. I love y'all. Happy birthday. Get the message out. Share the heck out of this. Help me out, people. All right, bye.